Hello fam, so here I am with another interesting long haul. Why long haul? Because I know it is going to be long. Yes, the basket looks smaller, but there are very tiny things in this big basket of mine. So yes, I happened to visit Nykaa store long time back, and yes, I keep buying from Nykaa like a lot, and you have been updated on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, then consider following me there, because you're missing a lot of different updates which I keep doing on Instagram. So yes, चलो चेक करते हैं इस नायका के बैग में हमने क्या क्या रखा है. Yes, it is definitely empty as of now, because if I will lift this bag is going to break and everything will fall down. But अच्छा लगता है ना वीडियो में ऐसे दिखाने के लिए. I went to Nykaa for shopping. What an intro it was, but let's just get into the first product. So first up I have this Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. It is my second Kajal. Did I purchase it? No, I got it free because I was buying 4 lipsticks from Nykaa and they were offering this Kajal free, and I'm really happy they offered this Kajal because I love this Kajal. I am already using one and I already have a backup, but let's see if I will keep it for myself or will just add it in a giveaway. I'm not going to get into the reviews of these products because ये already मेरे channel पे काफ़ी बार मैं review कर चुकी हूँ. तो अगर आपने मेरे रिव्यू वीडियोस या टॉप 5 टॉप 10 वाले वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो कंसिडर वॉचिंग दैम. यू विल फाइंड सम स्टनिंग videos as well as a lot of different options. Talking about another product from Nykaa which I happened to get from the store, the bag which I showed you, I bought their Skin RX Spot Corrector Niacinamide Serum as well as the Wrinkle Repair Serum. Now I have not started using them because I'm already using something from a different brand, so I don't like to mix serums, or I would say serums like this. अगर normal सा serum है तो I will use it different brand से, but अगर ऐसे serums है niacinamide, retinol, vitamin C, then I don't like mixing too many things. So because I want to see the results, how a particular product is working. And now this bottle doesn't want to come out. Yeah. Okay. That's funny. Just for the packaging purpose I removed this because it was like a task to get this product out. So this is the Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum, 2% advanced retinol serum, and it comes with a dropper separately. I really like the packaging on these products. It's a glass bottle and a nice one. I have not used it, so I cannot say anything more than this. The packaging looks cute, and iski pricing thi 899. I think all of them are for 899. Yes, I think no, the niacinamide one is for 799, so retinol one is like 100 rupees expensive. Again इधर पे 1% zinc है. Let's see how I'm going to like it, because इसी combination में I have already used niacinamide and retinol from Dr. Seth. So yes, I have an expectation from Nykaa Skin RX, because अभी थोड़ी देर में मैं आपको ऐसा प्रोडक्ट दिखाऊंगी जो थोड़ा सा अजीब गजीब सा चल रहा है मेरे ऊपर. Next up, another product from Nykaa which is the face wash. ये मुझे free मिला store में. So my bill was I think 1400 or something. So more than 1200 पे they were giving a face wash, and I really like these face washes. I've already used the neem leaf and tea tree one. Absolute love. So I'm happy that they gave me the orange peel one. I'm a combination to oily skin and I like it. I don't know how it is going to perform in Supreme Winters, but अच्छा है यार face wash. Who doesn't like it? I'm like a hoarder on cleansers. Next up, let's see what I've got from Plum. So Plum is another brand, keeps launching products. It's very difficult to keep up with them as well. So I am using currently the Plum Retinol Serum, as well as I'm using the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Serum. Frankly speaking, I'm not using them as much because when I started using them, I did discover a lot of things on my skin. For that, you please watch the review. I would not like to get into the nitty-gritties here in this video. So yes, the review would be coming, so stay tuned for the review. But yes, I have still not filmed the review. I will be filming it soon. I'm just waiting for another 1 week, just another 1 week. I want to use it more and then review the product. But अगर मैं आज भी बैठूँ तो I can review it straight up, like I have some experiences, a lot of experiences with these two serums. So yes, do not buy them off the shelf. Yes, do not do that. So they come into a packaging like this, again glass bottle packaging. दोनों बहुत ही क्यूट लिटिल पैकेजिंग है एंड यू गेट टू डिफरेंट साइजेस. आई थिंक रेटिनॉल में आई डोंट थिंक यू गेट टू साइजेस, बट दिस वन you get. So I picked up the smaller bottle and the retinol is 1%. Now अगर मैं कहूँ तो my experience are not very great on these two products. That is why I'm saying do not buy these two products off the shelf. And something is sitting on my nose. Okay, because it's raining outside, तो कुछ छोटे मोटे फ्लाइज वगैरह भी अब घर में आने लग गए हैं. वील बेयर विद देम ऑल्सो. सो हाँ, डू नॉट बाय दीज टू प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ द शेल्फ. डिस्काउंट मिल गया ले लो. डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज आई पर्सनली फील you should not be buying them before watching a good review, because I've seen 2-3 reviews, and after seeing those reviews I bought these products, and frankly speaking I'm very disappointed, because I feel when you, being a influencer or a content creator, when you review products like retinol and niacinamide, you can't be just talking in general. You have to be very clear what you're saying. So I'm really disappointed on very good content creators who just sold me this product, and I am not liking it. Next up, let's move on to some more products. Okay, so I am definitely missing a product in this basket which is in my bedroom. I feel I recently repurchased my Garnier 30X vitamin C serum. I went back to this one because I really like it. I'm already using it. It's not in the box anymore. Yes, you see it's not there. And this is a 30 ml bottle, and I realized that there is another size in it. So मुझे याद ही नहीं है कि मैंने पहले 30 ml ली थी कि 50 ml. But I think मैंने पिछले बार छोटी bottle ली थी, and this time I got the bigger bottle, and I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, this is the vitamin C serum I'm using as of now. For your information, इससे पहले मैं यूज़ कर रही थी Plum का vitamin C serum, yeah, which now I have stopped using completely. Yeah, that is what I'm telling you. Don't buy products off the shelf without knowing everything about it. The only one thing I would like to say, that combination to oily skin, if you can wait a little longer, you would like to know my thoughts on it and then buy the product. Let's move on to some makeup. So I did happen to add more products from Kiro Beauty, and I'm just getting obsessed with them now. So मैंने Kiro से ले लिए हैं इनके नए Kiro Lip Butter Lip Lacquer, which has murmur and some butter, because I'm not going to butcher the name. I know that. मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मुझे सारे वर्ड्स प्रोनाउंस करने आते हों, but I will look into Google and know. So these are their new lip butters which I'm been constantly wearing. They're already my favorite. So this is how they come. ये बहुत ही अच्छा ऑफर में ले लिए मैंने, बिकॉज इनकी कॉस्टिंग आई थिंक 800 और समथिंग है, 875. यस, 875 दे आर फॉर. एंड कीरो पे उनकी एनिवर्सरी थी या बर्थडे था, विच दे वर ऑफरिंग बाय टू गेट 2. So I could pick up 2 of these. I wanted to get 4 actually, but then I was like, why do I need 4 of these? But now I think why I should have added 2 more. But ठीक है, I'll wait for another good offer. So these are their very juicy, very well done lip butters. Like, I have not seen a product like this in drugstore. It is like super creamy. Let me just give you a live swatch. So I'm swatching Mahogany blush for you. Oh my god, this can be your perfect winter lip butter. Oh my god, you see how richly pigmented it is? Oh my god, you just can't get enough. And I have wasted a lot of product. Yeah, I do feel a little bad when I swatch like this for the products which I absolutely love. It just happens. It happens with everyone. So yes, if you want to add that nice super rich lip butter come lip gloss, something just adds that nice pout on your lips, get these. You're gonna love them. So when I was buying, when there was an offer buy 2 get 2, I could add another airy matte lipstick. You know how much I love them. So I wanted to place another order, but then I was like already broke for the month, and I was like, नहीं पापा अब नहीं हो सकता, अब ना ले पाएंगे हम कुछ. but I could get this shade called Sandy Rose, and later one of my followers also recommended me this shade, and I was really happy that, you know, we were like both on the same line, that we end up liking same kind of shades. So yes, I really like hearing such comments. So yes, I really like this shade. Also, I was wearing this shade on Tej Wala Vrat, and it's again a wonderful, stunning shade. It's a very nice, it looks lighter on the hand, but on the lips it appears more warmer. Like, this can be your perfect nude pinky tone lipstick, which is gonna complement a lot of Indian skin. So if you're a person who likes to wear those oldie goldie pinky, a little mauvey tone lipsticks, then I think you would like to check out this shade. Why did I buy this lipstick? Because of the formula. I really like the formula on the lip shade. That is why also I added another one. And since there was, as I said, buy to get to, I happened to restock or stock up my eyeliner. So I happened to pick the same pen eyeliner, same. So I'm already using one. I already have a backup, because this is for, I think, 900 or 875 rupees, 900 rupees. So when you get these offers, this is the time when you buy these products. So technically I did not pay for 2 products, and I could get like 4 well done products and a brand which is offering you very good product, like very high quality products. So when you start using these products by Kiro, I'm telling you, will not mind paying 800 rupees, you will not mind paying 900, but I still say buy these products in a good offer. So I have been buying a lot of lipsticks lately, and is beach mein there are new launches also, so I just cannot keep myself away from these. So I happened to pick the Nykaa All Day Matte Lipsticks. Have you checked out the review? Not yet. Do check out the review. You will see the swatches as well. So I've already swatched them, and these are really well done. I really like it, and I see myself buying 2 to 3 more shades. Yes, I will definitely get it. Whenever I'm going next to Nykaa store, I will get them. Next up, to try more different formulas and do a comparison video, I happen to pick up another lipstick, and this is by the brand called Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color in the shade 06. So I bought this, again a lovely shade, I must tell you. This is how it is. Now wait for the comparison video to happen, but this one was bought completely for comparison, and good I bought it finally, because it was on my wish list, and I'm eyeing these lipsticks from the longest time. Now see, I bought the Nykaa ones, but I did not get the Miss Claire ones. So ऐसा होता है, और ऐसा कई बार हो चुका है हमारी Miss Claire के साथ. So sorry Miss Claire, बुरा मत मानना. So yeah, this has been happening a lot. And another lipstick which I happen to buy is the one I'm wearing on my lips, is the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipsticks in the new packaging, and a lot more shades. Now guys, please let me know. I think the formula has been changed on these lip shades, the new ones. They are better than the older ones they will launch with the black cap. Yes, because I've already reviewed these lipsticks on my channel a year back, and I did not like it because they were very patchy and they were moving here and there and they were super dry. But today I'm wearing this lipstick like almost 3 hours ho chuke hain mujhe pehenkar. I'm really liking it, and the formula is definitely different, and the shade is looking stunning on my lips. So this is in the shade Touch of Spice. The reason of me getting this shade, because I already have a bullet lipstick, but the shades are pretty different from each other. So yes, you will see a complete comparison video. So ये comparison video के लिए ली गई है, but मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे और shades लेने पड़ेंगे, because I'm really liking the formula on my lips. Today I feel that I'm in a such a talking mood because of the weather. बहुत अच्छा weather है, लेकिन बहुत ढक्का ढक्का सा weather है. So video में आप देखोगे कई बार मैं थोड़ी light में आ जाती हूँ और थोड़ी कहीं पे थोड़ी छाँव हो जाती है, because technically there is no sun, like there is no sunlight. So light है but बारिश के बादलों से ढका हुआ है. Let's move on to another purchase of mine, which I was eyeing from the time it was launched. It took the longest, but I'm happy. So I got the old Huda Beauty Fox Filter Skin Finish Stick Foundation. This is how it comes. I bought this from Sephora India page because मुझे वहाँ ये 50% में मिल गया, एंड हमने यूज़ भी कर लिया इन्हें बिकॉज आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू सी हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स एंड आफ्टर वॉचिंग अंतरिक्षा's वीडियो आई वॉज लाइक डेड ऑन श्योर कि मुझे ये लेना ही है बिकॉज आई लाइक स्टिक फाउंडेशंस but I don't buy too many because stick foundations not everybody can nail, every brand can nail it because जब stick format में आप products डालना शुरू करते हो तो products can get a little drying while application but this is super smooth. तो ये मैंने लिया है in the shade Biscuity. Now मेरा shade अमृति भी हो सकता है, brown sugar भी हो सकता है, Biscuity है ही. मैंने अमृति इसलिए नहीं लिया बिकॉज ये शेड लगाने के बाद थोड़ा ऑक्सीडाइज होगा, थोड़ा मतलब मियरली सिर्फ आपको पता चलेगा, ऐसा कोई मेजर डिफरेंस नहीं पता चलेगा आपको ऑक्सीडाइजेशन में, बट देयर इज एन ऑक्सीडाइजेशन ऑन दिस फाउंडेशन. दूसरा, ब्राउन शुगर कैन गो अ लिटिल डीपर आफ्टर ऑक्सीडाइजेशन ऑन माई स्किन. So this was falling in between Amriti and brown sugar, and baklava can also be my shade if I match it with my face, but then फिर मैं बहुत ashy लगूंगी क्योंकि मेरा neck match नहीं करेगा. So I've given you all the possibilities of all the different 3 shades which can go well onto my skin, but मैंने क्यों नहीं लिए. Why I went for this one, it is in between everything and it has a neutral undertone, but थोड़ा oxidization के बाद it gets a little warm on my skin. So हाँ, I really like it. Very nice packaging. You can see I've already used the product. बहुत ही लाजवाब प्रोडक्ट है ये, बट क्या ये प्राइस जस्टिफाई करता है? सी हुडा ब्यूटी का ब्रांड है तो एक्सपेंसिव तो होगा ही. क्या आपको ऐसे फाउंडेशंस ड्रग स्टोर में नहीं मिल सकते? यस, मिल सकते हैं. शुगर के पास है. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव देयर स्टिक फाउंडेशन, but I feel compared to her liquid foundation this is definitely my kind of foundation because ये full coverage नहीं देता. It is more of my daily wear foundation. तो अगर आपको daily wear के लिए एक high end foundation चाहिए जो आपको एक अच्छा बेस दे दे तो you can look into this, but not something you should be getting. Yes, I felt that, but मुझे चाहिए था because I like wearing stick foundations. It's very easy for me, very convenient, and whenever I'm traveling it's very easy for me to apply my foundation because I'm a person who wears very less of foundation. And yes, that is the technique जो मैं follow कर रही हूँ पिछले 1 साल से, and you can see my makeup, even the normal liquid foundation I apply very less. So if you want to know my foundation routine, do let me know. I would like to share it with you. Now I'm going to show you products which are not from Nykaa but from random places. First up, I'm going to show you a lot of products from Mars Cosmetic, and I'm wearing most of them today. Almost everything, leaving the lipstick. So I picked up all eye products from Mars Cosmetic. I picked up their kajal, the no smudge no budge kajal. It is a retractable kajal and काफ़ी inexpensive है Mars के product, but wait for the review. You would like to see the review. I've already filmed the look for the review, so you will see it. ये products को लिए हुए मुझे already 1 महीना हो चुका है. मैंने already use कर रही हूँ, so I know it all already. Next up, I picked up their no smudge no budge no transfer eyeliner. Again, I really liked this one and I really liked the whole application on this eyeliner. Next up is a brow product from Mars Cosmetic. Again, a good purchase of mine. I have been using this constantly. You will know everything in detail in my review video. We'll just quickly move on to the next one. Is the Mars mascara, which is controversial. Yes, I will leave you with all these suspense things. Lipstick, it is a matte lipstick. It's a dry down matte lipstick, has a lot of shades to choose from. मैंने ले लिया है shade Smile Please. I'll swatch it for you quickly. I'll tell you, ये लिपस्टिक यूज़ करते हुए आपको ये फील होगा कि आप लिपस्टिक नहीं, आप एक लिप लाइनर फॉर्मूला लगा रहे हो, बट इट स्टिल हैज़ अ लिटिल क्रीमीनेस, नॉट क्रीमीनेस आई वुड से, बट लिटिल थिकनेस टू इट, सो इट गिव्स यू अ लॉट ऑफ कवरेज. ये लिपस्टिक आपके पिगमेंटेड लिप्स को कम्प्लीटली कवर कर देगा और एक बार आपने लगा ली तो ये कहीं नहीं जाने वाली है, बट इट इज़ ओनली फॉर 199 rupees. So after seeing those products, you know what all videos you will be seeing in future. So a lot of exciting videos are going to be popping up on my channel. Next up, we have a palette from Colourpop Cosmetic. Haven't you realized that my buying from Colourpop has literally reduced because I have really kept an eye what I'm buying and how much I'm buying, because guys, माई आई शैडो पैलेट का जो ड्रॉर होता है ना, जिसमें हम आई शैडो पैलेट्स रखती हूँ मैं, उसमें कलर पॉप की जनसंख्या ज़्यादा हो चुकी है और मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं करूँ क्या. बट आई जस्ट कैन नॉट स्टिल रेजिस्ट बाइंग वन. बट now I'm not buying like every other palette they launch, because every palette seems to be cuter, but not now. I have realized like, no, why do you need? But this one I bought, I'll tell you why. So I picked up the Lush Life palette by Colourpop. Really like the packaging on this one. Camera is not doing any justice to this packaging. And when you open the palette, you get these, oh my god, wonderful shades here. इस palette को लेने का reason बस इतना सा ही था. इसके साथ मैं एक और लेना चाहती थी, बट आई स्किप्ड इट ऑल टुगेदर. लेने का रीज़न ये है गाइज, बिकॉज मैंने रॉ ब्यूटी किस्टी का पैलेट नहीं लिया एंड आई स्टिल रिग्रेटेड, एंड दे आर नॉट रीस्टॉकिंग इट. दे हैव नेवर रीस्टॉक्ड इट. आई डोंट नो वाई. सो since it was not available and this was looking very close to that palette, so I picked it. Is one of the reasons that I happened to get this one. But this has a lot of stunning shades happening, if you see. So oh my god, who will not like these shades? And I know that in is palette se I can do a lot. Another one reason I wanted this palette, of the last two shades which you see, the two mattes you see, the royal blue and the green, oh my god, they're just popping. So yes, I am super excited for this one as well. So I had to leave my filming spot to get another product, which is the little bulky product, and I thought, why not just show you the Mars lipstick ka after effect. Now this is Mars. I've already wiped the Kiro one. This is Mars. See, it will not go. I have a wipe. See, it's not easy to remove it. It's like I'm literally मैं इसे रगड़ रही हूँ, पता है. So it is like not easy to get off these lipsticks. If you end up eating or chewing something, still the lipstick is there. So it is like a complete matte lipstick. तो अगर आप complete matte lover हैं, you should check out the Mars lip crayons. Now let's move on to that heavy box I was talking about. So I happened to pick up Malvika Satlani's first product launch, is the Basic Beauty candles from the home range. I picked up the bundle and I ordered on the night it was launched. I've already unboxed it just to make our life easier, or else I'm scared that it will fall. Now they come in a very basic, not so good cardboard packaging like this. इसके अंदर candle था. The other thing which I noticed, they were not packed really well. I felt it's a flimsy job on the outer box. It was already out. The other candle के box में तो even the wall was out. I had to re-stick it back because I thought I will gift it to someone. So yes, with both the boxes the same halat, no protective wall, nothing. So if you're buying one candle, I hope they pack it really well. अभी तक तो ऐसे कोई breakage वाली कहानी मैंने सुनी नहीं है, तो I'm hoping the packaging was done for every other candle. But I think they should work a little harder on this packaging since they are charging me $6.99. Now talking about our candles, so they come in a very nice glass packaging obviously, and Basic Beauty, this is the Beauty Sleep one. You get 7 ounces of product and it has fresh lemon, lime, coconut, pineapple, jasmine, musk, vanilla. Now frankly speaking, I don't, vanilla is there guys, it's there, but it's very softly done. It's not like on the nose vanilla, it's not like that. So I really like it because I generally don't enjoy vanillas too much. Yes, I think you will be I will be the first person to say that I'm not a vanilla scent person. I don't like it. That is one reason that I don't like eating vanilla ice cream also. Yep. So talking about the candles, see guys, for the packaging, for the look, you can pay even 5,000 rupees. So 699 में तो बहुत ही अच्छा दिखने वाला कैंडल आपको मिल रहा है with the lid, and it's a very nice tight lid in a glass jar. Very basic detailing work. दो ये स्टिकर बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है, बट अभी कैंडल जलाने के बाद मुझे पता चलेगा कि ये मेरे हाथ पे जो 50 बार लगेगा तो हाउ इट विल गो. बट दे कैन डू अ लिटिल मोर समथिंग ऑन दिस, मे बी दे कैन गेट समथिंग इम्प्रिंट ऑन द कैंडल और समथिंग. But abhi ke liye, I am liking the whole aesthetic on the candle, the whole packaging. It makes me feel luxury. Even the scent in both the candles would make you feel as if you're sitting in some spa or a good restaurant, like a 5-star one. So that is there. After burning, I really don't know how they're going to perform. अभी तक मैंने इन्हें जलाया नहीं है because I'm already using 3 candles in my house and I really don't want to be using every other candle in my house. The other one I have is the Me Time. Now everyone has a scent preferences. Both of them are good. I'm at least जो मैं sniff करती हूँ तो मुझे दोनों ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं. I don't have any special preferences. I don't have a bad headache or a bad nose with scents. I like anything strong. I like anything soft. But strong है तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है because I love strong scents. They are something in between. They're not very soft. They're not super strong. So I'm super excited to burn them and I will share my experience with you guys after burning them on my Instagram. So there you have a little gist on Masic Beauty, but many congratulations to Malvika Satlani on getting her brand Masic Beauty. Yes, I'm super excited for her brand because of one reason, that she is going to offer a lot of things in home. More than makeup, I am expecting a lot more in home from her because I have seen her house, the way she has done her house, the kind of taste she has. I would like to see what more she will offer in the home category. Makeup though there is too much of makeup happening around me, but this is going to be a little interesting. So yes, let's see what she's going to launch next. But many congratulations to Masic Beauty. There we have all the products which I happened to picked up over 1.5-2 months. But yes, I'm quite excited about certain products here. You will see reviews on most of the skincare products as well as makeup. Stay tuned on my channel. So consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and ta-da!